हॅलो किड्स, वेलकम टू नोवाया लर्निंग. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण लेटर व्ही, डब्ल्यू, एक्स, वाय आणि झी कसे लिहायचे आणि त्यांचे फोनिक साऊंड्स बघणार आहोत. तर व्हिडिओ पूर्ण नक्की बघूया. चला तर सुरू करूयात. आज आपण शिकणार आहोत लेटर व्ही कसे लिहायचे. दिस इज कॅपिटल व्ही अँड दिस इज स्मॉल व्ही. लेट्स राईट कॅपिटल व्ही. ड्रॉ अ स्लँटिंग लाईन डाऊन. नाव ड्रॉ अनदर स्लँटिंग लाईन अप. Now we have a capital V. Repeat, slanting line, another slanting line. This is capital V. Now let's write small v. Draw a small slanting line down. Now draw a slanting line up. Now we have a small v. Repeat, small slanting line, another slanting line. This is small v. The phonic sound of letter V is V. The letter V says van. Letter V says vulture. Letter V says violin. The phonic sound of letter V is V. आज आपण शिकणार आहोत लेटर W कसे लिहायचे. This is capital W and this is small w. Let's write capital W. Draw a slanting line down. Go up with another slanting line, again go down and again go up. Now we have a capital W. Repeat once. Slanting line down, up, down, up. This is capital W. Now let's write a small w. Draw a small slanting line down. Now go up, then down, then again up. This is small w. Repeat, small slanting line going down, go up, then again down, again up. This is small w. Phonic sound of letter W is W. The letter W says W, whale. Letter W says whale. Letter W says whistle. The phonic sound of letter W is W. आज आपण शिकणार आहोत लेटर X कसे लिहायचे. This is capital X. This is small x. Let's write capital X. Draw a slanting line down. Now draw another slanting line crossing it. This is capital X. Repeat once. Slanting line down and another slanting line crossing it. This is capital X. Now same way write small x. Draw a small slanting line. Now another slanting line crossing it. This is small x. The phonic sound of letter X is K. The phonic sound letter X is K. Letter X says sk, Xmas tree. Letter X says zebek. Letter X says xylophone. तर आपण शिकणार आहोत लेटर Y कसे लिहायचे. This is capital Y. This is small y. Let's write capital Y. Draw a slanting line down. Now draw another slanting line. Now draw a standing line down. Now we have a capital Y. Repeat once. Small slanting line, another small slanting line and a standing line at the down. This is capital Y. Now write a small y. Draw a small slanting line and draw another line going down below. This is small y. The phonic sound of letter Y is Y. The letter Y says yo-yo. Letter Y says yacht. And letter Y says yogurt. The phonic sound of letter Y is Y. आज आपण शिकणार आहोत लेटर Z कसे लिहायचे. This is capital Z and this is small z. Let's write capital Z. Draw a sleeping line. Now draw a slanting line down and now draw another sleeping line. This is capital Z. Repeat once, sleeping line. Now draw a slanting line and another sleeping line. This is capital Z. Now let's write small z. Draw a small sleeping line, then slanting line and another sleeping line. This is small z. Phonic sound of letter Z is Z. The phonic sound of letter Z is Z. The letter Z says Z Z zip. Letter Z says Z Z zebra crossing. Letter Z says Z Z zigzag lines. The phonic sound of letter Z is Z. Now we know how to write and the phonic sound of letter V, W, X, Y and Z. जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक, शेअर आणि कमेंट करायला विसरू नका. जर तुम्ही पहिल्यांदाच आपल्या चॅनेलवर आला असाल तर आपल्या चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.